Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Matt here, Englishman in Russia. Now, I'm sorry I haven't posted a video for quite a long time. I'm going through a very sad, difficult moment in my life right now. It's very difficult and I'm just trying to get through it day by day, so I apologize for the delay. But I'm back with a video and it's another tour of an apartment in Moscow, Russia, but this time in one of the many new developments they're building all over Moscow, Russia, where they're knocking down the old buildings and building these quite new, beautiful apartments everywhere. And I want to show you the infrastructure that they build around these apartments, and then of course inside the apartment itself. And make sure you stay to the end because I'll be telling you how much it costs to rent and how much it costs to buy. So I think you're going to find this pretty interesting. So let's begin the tour. So here we are outside. I'm going to give you a tour now of this kind of infrastructure that they build outside of all of these new buildings, which I think is beautiful, really nice. So let's take a look and you can see what you think before we go inside the flat and have a look around there. So again, here you see this render, so it's available to rent on the bottom floor there. And then all of these ones are now being rented. As you can see there, a barber shop, a food shop. We've got a specialist sea product shop. And around here, got another, so here you see all the shops, cafes, there's a kindergarten, you've got a basketball court, and after that another football area and another sports area. Even the birds seem to be able to relax well here, not scared of people. So yeah, that's the area. So you see they have like a sports area here, and have these nice tables like this here, all different types of benches. But I like these tables where you can play games on them, including chess, but a number of different games. So each area has something slightly different. This area has a lot of seating, and as you see here, there's some interesting types of things. So this has one of these kind of meditation or to relax. It's very nice. Yeah, and quite often I see people working on their laptops inside of there. There we have table tennis tables. So this is the building I live in. So I'll just show you the whole territory, because all these are new buildings that they've put up here. In between here is another children's play area. Here we've got different seating, hammocks. So as you see, there's different types of areas, chill out areas for everybody, for adults, for children. And over there they've got another kids playground area, interesting slides. And here they've got more sport area and a football court. So you see like that. Yeah, a closed off football area. And again, just a huge variety of different types of seating and so on. Obviously now it's quiet, it's in the morning. It's about 10:30 in the morning, so it's not so busy. In the evenings when the children are home from school, it gets more busy, but it gives you an idea of how it is here and how they've developed the infrastructure around these new areas. Okay, so we're gonna head in. Right, so we come into the hallway here. Now this is a studio apartment, so let's just show you how this looks from this way. So what you have is kind of built-in cupboards here. You have your light, you have your fuse box and high-speed internet up there, and the doorbell. Yeah, so as you see, it's quite modern refurbishment. And then off of here, we go straight into the bathroom. I'll turn both lights on, perhaps it'll be a bit noisy. So you see you have an area for your laundry. So it's not a particularly big bathroom, but it's obviously clean and reasonable standard kind of renovation. Just a shower, no bath. Yeah, that's me. So yeah, fairly simple bathroom, not too much to talk about, but that's how it is. But I would say everything you need, just of course lacking a shower if that's what you want. Obviously you've got the area there to put your shoes on. Now if we look inside the cupboards, so you've got storage space here. Yeah, quite a big area. Bag, another cupboard, and even more here. So yeah, that's how it looks. Now what I like about this apartment is that it's big and airy with big windows, double windows all the way along the length of it, which definitely makes a huge difference for the feeling of kind of, fresh open space, and also the ceiling height, as you see here. So you come through the doorway here. Nice lights they have here. But yeah, nice high ceilings. So if we have a look, we've got a new air conditioning system there, which is obviously great for the hot summers here. There's not too many things in here. Obviously, all these things came with the apartment, like the Hoover. Yeah, and you've got your shelves here. And then we've got a table and chairs. And then you've got a double bed here, like this. And then we've got the kitchen area. So I'll show you the kitchen. It's a nice kitchen, this, a good standard. I was told, it was an expensive kind of over $10,000 kitchen because, yeah, it can do kind of multi-function. It certainly seems very nice. So if we have a look, we've got the whole cooking area here. We've got a fridge and a freezer in here. Okay. Yeah. And then everything built in, so I've got a washing machine here. Got your microwave. And obviously you've got cupboards, you've got storage cupboards all the way across the top as well with this lighting, which is pretty good. If we have a look, different storage areas here for cooking, and a dishwasher, which is always useful, and in the bin area. Yeah, so pretty nice. And then you have this system where it can all be closed off like that, so both sides can close off that way. So if you want, in an evening, once you finish your cooking, you can close the whole thing off. But yeah, if we just take a look at that from back here, that's a pretty nice kitchen area, I would say, and a lot more storage there. Yeah, kind of zoom out. Now I'll just show you out of the windows here. Got the view down to this kind of new infrastructure outside. As you see, it's pretty nice. People out there working on their laptop. You see down there, there's a pink Audi, bright pink Audi. See, so people don't just have boring cars here. Yeah, there's a medical center over there. Number of shops, which I showed you outside. And then again, you've got the second window here, so the curtains are over it at the moment, but yeah, you can see a nice peaceful area outside. Nice views. And that's over through there looking towards the center of Moscow. But yeah, those double windows are great. And it has this blind system just on one handle, pull on the blind, and yeah, open and close, which is very easy, quite nifty. So find a way back out here through the through the curtains. So yeah, that's the kind of tour, guys, of a nice apartment here, studio apartment. I think you'd agree it's very nice and airy. I think the renovation standard is pretty good. Just to show you one more time, like that. But yeah, I think that's the good thing, the amount of space here and the high ceilings. Yeah. So let's talk about price a little bit. Price for this apartment is 70,000 rubles. So we're talking about £650 or about $750 to $800 per month, depending on the current exchange rate. So if we say at the top end, let's say $800 per month. You do have the water and electric to add on to that, but that would be a maximum of around $50 to $60 per month. That's all it costs here. So yeah, that's all the costs. So that's what you get for your money in a brand new building, a brand new flat, no one else lived in it before, all new renovation. So I think it's very good value for money. Of course, it's not so big, but it's fine for either one person or a couple in a very nice area and with everything brand new. And we only have about 10 minutes to the metro from here. So all in all, yeah, I think very nice flat. So I'll be interested to hear your opinion in the comments. If you haven't seen it yet, I made another video with a flat only about 10 minutes from here, which is a lot bigger, but with older renovation style. I think about 1 million people have watched that video so far. So it's interesting to compare this one to that one because the price is almost exactly the same. So you get a smaller flat, but much more modern for the same amount of money. So let me know what you think about the value of this apartment. Do you think it's good value? How does it compare to where you live? And thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video very soon.